Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video I am taking you along on a fun-filled 2-day adult-only vacation with the love of my life.
Hello.
We are headed to New Hampshire. We booked a little Airbnb, like treehouse cabin. I'm so excited. Figured I would pop on the camera and take you along. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Level 8. Level 8 is a modern luggage brand that prides itself on innovative design, durability, and style. I have used a lot of luggage in my lifetime, and there is something so sleek and beautiful about the Level 8 Voyager carry-on. Mine is in the gorgeous dark olive color, and it is stunning. The Level 8 Voyager carry-on has a unique wide handlebar design, serving as a distinct visual signature. The wide handlebar offers not only a beautiful minimalist aesthetic, but also a more stable maneuvering experience. It also offers 4-level height adjustment to accommodate various user heights. The bold color schemes offer a beautiful aesthetic, blending a sense of luxury fashion with high visibility. The suitcase offers a large capacity asymmetrical design, which adopts a 3:7 ratio, with the upper half being shallower for easier access to items when it's laid horizontally, and the lower half being deeper for accommodating larger or irregularly shaped items. The narrower width and thicker depth enhance the stability while pushing, reducing the risk of the suitcase tipping over. And it's equipped with 360-degree silent wheels using steel dual bearing construction for an ultra quiet, stable, and smooth maneuverability. It's lightweight, has a TSA approved lock, features organized compartments with wet-dry separation, and the handle is crafted with aerospace grade aluminum magnesium alloy, offering triple the lifespan of ordinary handles. Right now, Level 8 is having their anniversary sale, so follow the link down in my description box and use the code PREAS20 to get 20% off site-wide. This is an incredible limited time offer, so do not sleep on this. Like I said, everything will be linked for you down below. And again, thank you to Level 8 for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get back into today's vacation vlog. It is almost 2 p.m. and we're definitely getting a later start than we planned on. We can actually check in, I think, at 2, right? But that's all right. We're taking the Jeep. We're fully loaded, locked and loaded. And Danny's just pulling up directions. Where are we going? Acton?
Alstead.
Alstead. I was way off. No, was that right? Alton?
Something like that.
Yeah, I don't know. But we've got the Jeep. It's not the best weather right now, so we're not gonna put the top down, but we will eventually. Okay, we're here. Legit treehouse. Here we go. So we had to park up here. Oh, I hear roosters. And now we walk down the path into the trees. The rooster. There it is.
I got expectations for a treehouse.
I feel like we could build this in our backyard.
Really just thinking the same.
It smells freshly cleaned. Hope the hot tub works. Look how cute the lights are. It's so cute.
Look, all the lights all the way down. So tonight we can turn those on.
Love it. This is so pretty. Look at the detail under here. A fan. I love these lights. Danny just pointed out how pretty this rope detail is on the wood. This is gorgeous.
That paneling up there?
Yeah, it's so nice. I wonder what's in there. All right, Sure.
Yeah, you go first. I should have waited.
Oh, this is pretty. Cute. It's beautiful. Did he give you a code?
Yeah.
Baby.
Oh.
This is the view from outside the door. How pretty. Looks like Tickville if I've ever seen it. Don't say it out loud. Just type it on in. Oh, ooh, it smells good. How cute. It's so clean.
Wow.
Oh, and there's a little fireplace like we have. Look at how cute the fridge is. Stop it.
And it's nice and cool in here.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It is so clean.
That's actually what every review said.
It is unbelievably clean. Like, this is cleaner than our house. This is so cute. Stop it.
I mean, this is...
Oh, it's gorgeous. Like all of the wood paneling. This is incredible. It smells so good. Like
fresh.
like cedar.
Yeah,
Like,
fresh pine.
this little kitchen is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So they clearly have like a theme, color theme, right? It's all black and gray and wood. But look at how cute. This is so nice.
Metal.
Look at that. Yeah, in the metal. It's very industrial. Yep. Yep.
But industrial.
Look at, you've got a little toaster oven. You've got a toaster oven, a microwave. You've got all the utensils, knives you could need. Keurig, avocado oil, cute little books. Look at this. Look at the little window up there. I am so impressed. The air conditioning. This.
Water heater.
Oh yeah. And this refrigerator is the cutest. These are so expensive. This is so cute. So cute. The little fake little fire. No heat, but it's turned on. I love it. They have the air conditioning on. Set to 70. Just how Danny likes it. It's nice and freezing.
Oh, and there's a fan.
A fan. We were going to go buy one and bring a fan. We don't need to. Is it a comfy bed?
Yep, you're gonna like it.
Is it nice and soft?
Yeah.
Let me show you the bathroom. This is so smart. This is for the fan and for the TV. So it has air conditioning, it has Wi-Fi, it has the TV, it has a full working bath. This is so cute and so pretty and so well done. I can't even tell you how, like...
I'm coming back in the fall.
Yes, and it's so clean.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
you walk in and all you smell is the wood. Oh, hold on, Danny's got to sneeze 12 times.
It's so natural. No.
All you smell is the wood, and I'm not like like I could eat off the floor. It's so clean in here. Like this. Oh, that's cool. How it like vents up and out. That's a cool light fixture, and then you've got a little antler one. This is gorgeous. Good job, Danny Klein. Danny booked this. Danny found this. I told him I wanted to go somewhere very, very
Secluded.
excluded. Is that the word?
Secluded.
Secluded. That's the word. I was like, I can't think of the word. Good Lord. Pretty wooden table. You know who would love this? Our builder.
Yeah.
Our builder, Brian. Although I don't think it's real wood. Do you?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Look at.
I think it is polished and all.
I think you need to make me pancakes in the morning.
What?
Yeah.
We can go to the store tonight and get some stuff.
Yeah, so you can make me pancakes in the morning.
I like that.
My little lumberjack can make me some pancakes. All right. We're going to go get the rest of our stuff and get settled in. Obsessed.
For sale.
We are down in Keene, doing some walking, tons of restaurants, shopping, coffee. Fun fact, no sales tax on alcohol in New Hampshire. So they have these big, giant New Hampshire liquor and wine outlets. We're gonna go stock up. Okay, done with dinner. We're gonna go to Walmart because I forgot my curling iron. And that's really important to me because I gotta have cute hair tomorrow. And Danny and I have been together for so long that he doesn't even question it. We just go get the curling iron. And we forgot flossers, so we gotta go get some of those too. So, that's what we're going to do. It's really cute down here though. It is a college town, right?
Yeah.
What colleges are here? Keene College and River County, right?
Yeah.
Community College, I think. Yeah, it's very, very cute. Really, really cute. Lots of fun shops. They said most everything is closed on Monday, which today is Monday, so we'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna come down for breakfast, probably lunch, and then dinner. So, super fun. Just getting back to the treehouse now. It's like 9:30. You guys, isn't this so pretty and magical? Like, it's all lit all the way down the path to the treehouse. I'm walking slowly so that I don't eat it. I have my hands full, my body pillow and stuff. But look at how cute it is. This is going to be very, very bouncy. I'm so sorry. But look at how cute. Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 2 of our little treehouse adventure. I'm standing right outside of our treehouse right now. We are actually just getting, my hair is crazy. It is so humid. We are just getting started with our day, not getting started with our day. We're leaving the treehouse. We had a very lazy morning, got up. We were up for a little while. I went back to sleep. Danny went down and got in the jacuzzi, had his coffee, did all of that while I got some much needed rest. And then we just lazily enjoyed coffee. In fact, I'm still nursing mine. I have it right here. And now we're dressed and ready to go. We are going to go into town. We're going to go have some lunch, some brunch, because it's now like almost noon. My hair is so incredibly frizzy. This is, might have to fix this before we leave. Oh my gosh. I forgot like my hair oil. I left that at home, so it's a little bit frizzy, but it is just so incredibly beautiful and peaceful here. It is, we're covered in trees, like the tree coverage is mind-blowing, so keeps it dark in the cabin, in the tree house, so that makes it easy to sleep in, which can be tricky. If you are like me and don't like to oversleep, that can be tricky, but it is so beautiful and secluded. We had a beautiful dinner last night, came back to the tree house, enjoyed the jacuzzi, bottle of wine. It was incredible. So We're gonna go into town now. Where we're staying, this is in Alstead, New Hampshire, but where we go is in Keene, New Hampshire. So that's where we're gonna go now. And then Danny said that there was another town nearby that we could go explore. So let's go figure that out. I've got a bag packed that's got like my computer and my Kindle and stuff like that. So that way, if I need to get some work done, I'm still answering emails and everything. And I did bring my Kindle. Danny has his fishing pole in the Jeep. So that way, if we find a place where he can fish and I can read, we brought our camping chairs and we brought our beach chairs because we just didn't know exactly what the day would look like. We had zero plans, which is exactly how I like it. So let's get going. This is the tree coverage. Just all the trees. Okay, we're back in the car. It is 6:45. We went and had late breakfast, lunch. I wouldn't even call it brunch.
Yeah, it wasn't.
It was definitely lunch.
Yeah. We had breakfast for lunch.
Yes, and it was amazing. And then we went to an outdoor store that Danny wanted to go to, got some fun stuff, and then came back and napped and just kind of hung out in the treehouse.
Relaxed. Yeah.
Relaxed. It was wonderful. And now we are going to dinner. Danny got in the jacuzzi again.
Mm-hmm. I think I've been it 3 times today.
Now we're going back. Now we're going back into town. We're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna go to a place called The Stage. So looks good.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, we're gonna go check it out.
Wake up.
It's our last morning here, so we're gonna go have coffee in the hot tub.
Yeah.
What time is it? 7:30?
Yeah,
something like
7:40.
that. It's bright and early. We're gonna have coffee in the hot tub. It's so quiet. All you hear is the birds and that car that's driving by somewhere out there on the road. But so nice. Danny hurt his ankle, so he's wobbling, but it's beautiful. I can't wait to get in the hot tub. Is it too hot? No, not yet. Just work our way